Guys, I woke up today. It's raining. It was raining. Then the power went out. It's pouring down there, but it's just sprinkling up here. As you can see. Nanny! What the? Do y'all hear that? Nanny! Are you under here? But the power went out today. Don't know what happened there. Because it wasn't thundering then. I guess it kind of was. Because I did hear a couple booms. But, that could have been Chaffee. Nanny, what you doing? Come on. Baby. So, this is Nanny. She's eating she was eating a tortilla. Oh, she threw it over there. Doesn't surprise me. Those are her babies. That one's Zeus. This is Yip Yip. Y'all better move. Dixie. No. Dixie. No. No. And then the old trick that we used when she was a baby, well, I just think doesn't work anymore. I just thought I might go ahead and try. But, that doesn't work. This is a shed where Nanny did sleep, but it was way cleaner. So right there, I do not... Oh, crap. Nanny! Want more tortillas? Oh, come here. Come on. You deserve a tortilla. Nanny, she keeps on giving me kisses. Well, this is farm life. It's hard. Maybe we can get y'all see. Oh my gosh, she took the tortilla away! Oh, the talking. Is the other one coming out? Is Zeus coming out? Come on, Zeus. Sometimes, you get. There. So they got out with their mom. That's good. Dixie is jealous, but they got out with their mom. Probably, Mama is probably showing them, hey, it's okay. It's just water. It won't hurt you. Until you hear a loud big boom. In which we haven't heard any of that today. So, yeah. Do you want to say bye before I sign off? Zeus? Say bye, Nanny. Okay, they don't want to talk. Well, guys, bye. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you need to subscribe. So you can know when I have my videos. So guys, bye. Earth to Rose is signing off.